Lily bulbs grow in such large numbers. It's impossible to pick them all. You have to squeeze the bulbs out and move them to a spot near the wall, because I want to plant a few Asiatic lilies in front of them. The characteristics of these two varieties, aside from differences in height and blooming period, are pretty much the same. I originally planted 3 bulbs, but I only dug up 2. The mother bulb even lost a bud. I'm not sure where the other one ended up. It has a very strong ability to produce offspring. I just mixed in some rice husks and coconut core. These small bulbs and the broken bud won't bloom this year. They're planted to grow stronger, so they'll bloom next year. These are the Asiatic lilies I just bought. They bloom a little earlier, so I placed them in the front to avoid shading each other. Leave some space between each bulb. Once they are arranged properly, just cover them with soil. Remember, lilies must be planted deep, or they will easily topple over. Be careful not to bend their buds when covering them with soil, or they will grow in a crooked direction. After covering them with soil, water them thoroughly. Lilies need moisture during their sprouting stage. Keep the soil moist and never let it dry out, or they won't sprout properly. Lilies aren't too picky about soil when grown in pots. As long as it's loose, breathable, and drains well, it will work. Start by adding a layer of soil, about 5 centimeters deep, at the bottom of the pot. This is the AI lily, my favorite variety. It's cold and heat resistant, highly resilient, and doesn't require fertilization. This is an Oriental Lily, also known as a perfume lily. It's neither cold nor heat resistant, but it has large, fragrant flowers, making it perfect for cut flower arrangements. This is an Asiatic lily, a very short variety. It's both cold and heat resistant, with a short growth cycle of about 60 to 75 days. And produces abundant blooms. Remember, lilies must be planted deep. This is because lily bulbs grow 2 layers of roots. Another layer will sprout above the main bulb. You need to bury them at least twice as deep as the bulb's size. Have you learned everything?